Today we're going to talk about how to use the Adobe Spark Video app. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download the app from the App Store. It is a free app, which is really nice, and it has a lot of cool features, especially for a free app, so definitely download it. Okay, so once you download the app, you're going to come to a page like this once you open it. And right now I'm on the section called My Videos. As you can see, I have a couple of videos that I've already made, and we also have this little inspiration where you can get some ideas for how to create your Spark video, but we're going to actually click on this button here, the plus button, so we can make our own video. So once you hit that button, you're going to come to a page like this, and you're just going to put in your title or idea. So if our title was math, we would type math right here, and then we would hit next. Okay, so now you're going to come to this structure page, and on this page it's going to have all different kinds of formats for your Adobe Spark video. They have personal growth and invitation, but today we're going to focus on teach a lesson. So you're going to select that, and then you're going to hit pick this one. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to come to a page that is very similar to this, and as you can see down here at the bottom, it's showing us the different slides that will be in our Adobe Spark video. So we have our overview, our concept, our example, our explanation, and then there's a couple other slides. I think a conclusion slide, and this is all based off of that format of a lesson. Now, in a different one, it might be different kinds of slides, but it at least gives you an idea of what you should have on each page. A couple of quick buttons to look at. Right here you have your hold to record button, so if you're going to be talking over the slides as they go through. So if I had something on this slide, I would hold to record. It only allows you to record for about 10 seconds, so these are supposed to be very quick to the point videos. A couple other buttons, we have icons, we have photos, and we have text. And these are all different things that you can put into your Adobe Spark video. You can put both. That's where you would go out to the layout page and pick like photo and icon, or photo and text, or icon and text. Just really cool different ways to set up your page. You can also pick a theme, which we're going to talk about in a little bit, and music, which we'll also talk about. Okay, so I clicked on themes up here, and I decided to select this watercolor theme. It's a little cut off in my screenshot here, but basically what that means is the theme of this entire video will be watercolor based. So any kind of icon I insert or any kind of text I insert will go with that watercolor theme. Then we also have our music. So I clicked on this music tab up here, and once I clicked on that, I get all these different types of music. You just click on one and pick one that you think goes well with your video. If it's upbeat, you might use more upbeat music. If it's a little more scary, you might use some more scary music. It's really up to you. Okay, so I decided that I wanted to insert some kind of icon into my page. So what I did is I clicked on this icon button here, and then this little search engine comes up right here. And I decided to go ahead and type in plus because I'm looking for a plus sign, and then I hit search down here. And then once I hit search, all of these buttons here came up, all these icons. And so I went ahead and picked this one, and notice that it's not the same as the one on my slide. The one on my slide actually matches that watercolor theme that I talked about earlier. Okay, so here's just showing you how you can format your different slides. So in this one here, we have icons, which is just a plain icon, that's it, and then you're just gonna have your voice over top of it. And then this one, you have wording. So you just type the words, and then you might speak over those words. You might just read what words are on the slide. Totally up to you. Or you can have both. And that's really cool because you can have a picture for visual learners, but also you can have the words at the bottom so they can read it too if they need to read something to better understand it. Okay, now here's an example of a video that I've done before with Adobe Spark Video. Today we're going to talk about how to find the mean of a group of numbers. So first, let's discuss what is the mean. The mean is the average of a group of numbers. It's a calculated central value of a set of numbers. So, how do we solve for the mean? First, you need to add the numbers you are given together. Now take that number and divide it by the amount of number sets given to you. Now that can be a little bit confusing, so let's do an example real quick. Let's say 4 students take a test. Their scores end up being 81, 86, 93, and 98. How do we find the mean? Okay, so you guys kind of get the idea of how this works. I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Please go ahead and retweet me or whatever. Thanks for watching, guys.